Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: an X64 Windows 10 or 11 system, and an admin account so installations can modify system files. Once verified, ensure a stable internet connection and temporarily disable VPN or proxy to avoid corrupted downloads. Then download the Microsoft Visual C++ 2022 X64 Minimum Runtime installer. Choose the official redistributable X64 package. Make sure the file size matches the expected value and that no security tool quarantined it before. Run the installer as administrator, and if it offers repair, pick it. Repair restores missing DLLs without touching settings. If repair fails, uninstall only the faulty Visual C++ X64 entries. Avoid removing all versions. Once uninstalled, run the installer again. Before rebooting, check Windows Update and apply pending updates to ensure runtime dependencies align. If the installer still errors, capture the exact error code and note the failing DLL name for targeted fixes in the final troubleshooting step. Reboot after installation so the system loads the new runtime, then confirm presence under Programs and Features. If an application still complains about a missing DLL, try registering the DLL with regsver32 or copy the correct X64 DLL from a trusted installation. Make sure file permissions are intact and antivirus didn't block runtime files. If problems persist, use the exact installer error code and Event Viewer application logs to pinpoint which dependency failed. Then replace or repair that specific component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.